What's going on, guys? Trash pick. Halsey Taylor water fountain. I kind of clean the tank off, the surface off, and then we'll give it a shot. See if it gets cold. If it does, I'm going to replace that with that water fountain. There's nobody got one with the water cooler. One way to find out.
Oh, I know what you're gonna do.
Same thing I did that. I bypassed the water cooler.
And a picture.
Alright. Water cooling tank is no good because I found a leak in the back and it had a big ass hole in it. So what I'm going to do, here's the water inlet over there. I'm going to run a hose from here down this way to this. That way you just bypass and not to worry about using the water cooler. But other than that, this is a nice water fountain. A little smaller design than that one right there. But at least I got a real nice clean water. My hand takes her. Just about that hand.
I'm the navigator. I'm the navigator.
Alright, bypass completed. We'll just let that water build up pressure. Alright, got that water fountain there.
Hey, we got water. Woo!
You know, my old head.
Nice and cold.